Hello, welcome. Introduce, share. Hello, friends. I'm Chissy. Nice to see you again. This month, March, we have promotion for all our production lines. You know the real condition is nowadays all raw material and the rate dollar between yuan RMB. The rate changed a lot, but under these circumstances, we still can have this March Expo. We give promotion. If you buy our machine during this month, we can give you special discount, and you can use some coupons. Okay, our machines including three main categories. The first one is plastic pipe extrusion machine, including PVC pipe, HDP pipe, and PPR pipe, PERD pipe extrusion machines. This is our plastic pipe extrusion machine. For plastic pipe extrusion machine, we have PVC, HDPE, PPR, PERT, all these kinds, ABIs, all these kinds of plastic pipe machines. And for diameter, we have from small diameter up to very big diameters. For example, our machine can make diameter for pipes from very small, 16 mm up to 2000 millimeters. But not for all pipes we can make this large diameter. Usually for PPR pipe, we make from 20 millimeter up to 160 millimeter. This is international standard sizes. People usually use these sizes to produce hot and cold water for PPR pipe. And HDP pipe, we can make from very small diameter up to large diameter, from 16 up to 200, 2000 millimeter. It can use many areas, many industries for this kind of HDP pipe, For example, for water supply and for agriculture pipes, for gas pipe, air gas pipe, and for other purposes. This is for plastic pipe, HDP pipe, and for PVC pipe, we can make from 16 up to 1000 millimeter. PVC pipe can use for electricity pipe, water supply and wastewater. This is the application for PVC pipe machine. And for PERT pipe, PERT for water heating pipe in north area of north atmosphere. We use heating system. We use heating system in winter, and this PERT pipe used for heating pipes. And diameter usually very small, from 16 up to maximum 32 millimeter. This is the pipe range and the usage for each kind of pipe. And there are some special pipes, for example, ABS pipe, and for other different usages, corrugated pipe, cooler, and all these kinds of pipes our machine can make. We can make machine according to your request. All our machine are customized. You just let us know what kind of machine you want to make and your market demand. We give you our proposal according to your request. This is what we do. Just now I introduced the plastic pipe how many types we have, and what usage for these kinds of pipes. And we are machine manufacturer. Our machine can make plastic pipes. This is the first type of our machinery. What's the structure for these kinds of machine? First is automatic loading system. First I'd like to introduce PVC pipe. PVC pipe, you need a mixer first, mix all raw materials together. These chemicals including PVC resin, calcium carbonate, stabilizer, stearic acid, ACR, CPE, all these kinds of raw material you will use. You mix them together with particular ratio. We call it formula. You use this formula to mix raw material together, use mixer. The mixer temperature will be 120 degrees. The process costs 15 minutes long. After that, this mixed material will enter conical double screw extruder by automatic loading system. Then from that head, you can make different diameter of pipes like this, different diameter of pipes from small up to big. And after that head, then will be calibration table, cooling system, and after that will for cooling tank, only for cooling purpose, this part. Then the pipe will go through the hung-off machine, then cutter, and finally we'll bracket. This is the process for PVC pipe, the full process. After this, you will get the basic PVC pipes, and if you want, you can print your company logo, your website on it. Then you need to use printer. Nowadays, usually we use laser printer since you don't need ink. There's no cost for raw material. You just use laser printer. This is new type. And besides, if your country temperature is high, you need chiller to cool water temperature down. This is chiller. If your country's summer temperature is high, or you live in tropical area, we suggest you use chiller. This is all equipments to establish a new factory. Of course, if you are new factory, you need an air compressor, and that's all equipments you need to establish a new PVC pipe factory. And for HDPE, PPR, ABS, they are similar because raw material of them are all pellets, and extruder is single screw extruder. First, from automatic loading system, the raw material enters single screw extruder. The temperature is about 270 or 280 degrees. After that, through that head, we also call it mold. Through mold to make different sizes of pipes. Then it's calibrator. Welcome. I'm introducing plastic pipe extrusion machine. Now it's PPR, HDPE, ABS pipe. These kinds of raw material use single screw extruder. The process will be from the beginning, automatic loading system, then single screw extruder. And the extruder temperature will be 270 to 280 degrees. Under this temperature, the pellets will melt then through that head to make different diameter of pipes. After that, we need a calibrator tank and cooling tank. After usually two tanks. If pipe diameter is small, we use only two tanks. The first one is vacuum calibration tank. The second is cooling tank. If pipe diameter is small, but sometimes we produce large diameter pipe. Then the tank will be 2, 3, or 4 sometimes. Since the temperature is too high and the wall thickness for pipe is too much, so we need longer cooling tanks to cool temperature, to make temperature down. After that, through on-off machine, then cutter. Finally, you will get this HDP pipe, like this HDP pipe, and the color. How about color? Sometimes you make black, and if you want to make different color, for example, blue or orange, all these colors are popular according to different market. If you want to make different color of pipes, you just add different master batch. The master batch ratio is only 200%. That means if you put 100 kilograms HDP pellets, you just add 2 kilograms master batch. You will get different colors. And sometimes there is mark line with this is red one. You can see this red line. We call it mark line. Sometimes it's blue or different colors. You just use different master batch, the same as main pipe, the same as this. You add different master batch, but for this mark line, we need a smaller mark line extruder. This extruder will be very small, only for this mark line. This is a mark line, and you see this part. On this pipe, there is website for manufacturer and pipe diameter here. We use laser printer to do this. Laser printer. If you want to print your company name and your company name on it, and if you want to print this, you need a printer. And we suggest the laser printer. Nowadays, laser printer is popular because there's no need ink. No need ink. You just print this kind of you see PPR, and this is diameter, wall thickness, everything is here, and there is website for manufacturer. Sometimes you need to produce more than one layer. This pipe, you can see outside layer is white, but inside is green. There are two colors. Then you need another extruder. This need another extruder to make this kind of pipe. We call it co-extrusion. Sometimes this co-extrusion type, you can make 2 layers, 3 layers, some even 5 layers. According to your request, according to your customers, final market request, you can make different. You can make different layers. If 3 layers, usually outer and inner layer, you use virgin material. That means you use new material for outer and inner layer. But middle layer, you can use recycled material. So from the surface, this pipe, it looks like just new material totally new. But to reduce cost, there is recycled material in the middle. This is the purpose for multi-layers. You just let us know your demand. First, raw material. What raw material you will use? PVC, HDPE, PPR, like this. Then you tell us the diameter, how much diameter you want to make. And this mark line, whether you need, and how many layers for pipes. If your factory is new, maybe you need this printer and you need a chiller. If your country temperature, your city temperature is high in winter, in summer, or you live in tropical area, you may need this chiller. And air compressor, you need a small set of air compressor for a new factory. With all these equipments, you can produce these pipes. Actually, I would say this kind of project is simple, and it's popular, widely used. This is plastic pipe extrusion. And besides this smooth pipe, this kind of smooth, you see, it's smooth because besides this kinds of smooth pipe, we can make corrugated like this. Our machine can make this kind of corrugated pipes, and there are different purposes. For example, PVC garden hose. Our machine, we can make this. We are machine manufacturer. Our machine can make all these kinds of pipes. This is the first type of our extrusion machine, plastic pipe. And next, it will be plastic profile extrusion machine. What is profile? There are different types, many kinds of types. You can call it profile. A pipe is round side, we call it pipe. And it's easily understand. How about profile? Profile means different shapes, but it's made by plastic extrusion. We call it plastic profile. According to a different raw material, this profile can use conical twin screw extruder, or it can use single screw extruder. It can use small extruder, and sometimes it requires big extruder. All this depend on your request. We make machine according to your request. Plastic profile extrusion machine, we can make PVC profile, HDPE, TPE, TPR, TPU, and ABS profile, PC profile. All these kinds of raw material, our machine can work with them. You just let us know which kind of raw material you want to use, and you give us the drawing or the picture of profile. We need to know the profile sizes, whether we can make it. And you need to let us know the capacity you want. One of our main product is WPC door and frame production line. We make this over 20 years. If you are interested, you can contact us. We will give you full proposal for WPC door and frame extrusion line. I also have PVC profile, window profile, PVC window profile. This is For plastic profile extrusion machine, we also have plastic sheet boards extrusion machine with different material like PVC foam board, PP hollow corrugated sheet. All these all these machines we can make. If you are interested, please let us know. Okay. Thank you. Today, my show is finished and thanks for visit. If you have any question, you can contact us. Thank you.